And then I guess I'll crouch or something.
Tiny's facing the wrong way. I'm looking at him.
Like you see the drama when you're
back
French
to
girls.
back.
Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ooh.
Oh, we're actually filming?
Yeah, this is the intro.
Oh,
this is why I was so confused. What are we doing?
I thought you were just like,
No, I was trying to figure out what we're doing. I'm like, okay.
said something.
We're
Take two. I thought we were getting like a thumbnail over here.
I didn't know what.
I can't wait till you release the bloopers.
I know.
Were you recording the whole time?
Yeah, well.
Okay, good.
Sorry, we'll go this way, and then Tiny will go.
Take 4.
I'm Dr. Ooh.
I'm Dust.
I'm Pack.
I'm Mike.
And he's Chris. So.
I'm Mason. Tiny. And do you like microwaves?
No.
You don't?
We don't care.
Well,
like
this is your best day ever because we're gonna blow up a microwave for no reason whatsoever.
Are we blowing up two?
Nope, just one.
Okay.
Anything else?
There's two.
Nope, that's it.
Just a microwave?
They're all two microwaves over there.
Nothing will happen badly.
I don't care anymore.
God dang.
That's how you want to know.
Baby, don't hurt me.
Your microwave
Hello,
shaped-
buddy.
Your microwave shaped dog.
I'm waiting for it to just blow up from him.
What is love?
A little bit further, because we're gonna be shooting where that barrel is.
We just want to see you drag it, honestly.
No
come back.
I kind of want to put it on the stump.
I don't know.
See the teddy bear video?
Alright, good to go. Ready?
Drew?
Yeah, wait for Drew. Wait for Drew. Wait for Drew. My finger's not even on the trigger.
Alright, good. Jesus Christ.
That thing's tearing through those episodes.
Dang. That's epic.
Maybe we should leave it open next time.
Wait, did it come through the top? Should we classify this as microwaving stuff, Mike?
Did he just not hit the bag once?
He hit this way, him barely missing it. Then he hit the top of it.
Okay. Well then.
You hit everything but the giant axe.
Yeah, I know I should have blooded that 30 round.
Hello, Dusk.
Move it.
He's the intern. That's why he keeps missing. This is new to him.
No, it's because
He went out and bought this today.
It's because it's the AK. If I would have had my sniper.
Yeah, Raisin, you hate us.
If I would have had my 30
Let alone ball ammo.
Yeah, if I had the 30
Hey,
or
when you miss with run rounds, shoot it with 30.
you're welcome to shoot my rifle too if you want.
You're giving him pity shots now.
I'll take turns shooting and see what happens.
Mike, I don't trust you with a gun.
Mike is
I barely trust you with a microwave.
Mike is
Raisin, where'd you go? Back up.
She's more
Are
aggressive.
we gonna fire the AK again?
Yeah.
You missed with one bullet, add 30 extra.
Don't. We should all count with him. 1.
What is this door?
Dude!
That's Cal.
Sesame Street, dude.
Two.
That was something.
A 3. Like how we're all just circling Chris. You know we're all waiting on it.
Why are you still recording?
Because it's funny. More footage.
This man went through 2 clips. Is that all the ammunition?
Yeah, 6-4, just roll the belt fence. one bullet, just add 30 extra.
You missed with the shotgun.
And I don't know what to say.
I got buck.
Yeah,
well, Chandler do it.
I don't know.
That's, dude, that's
I feel like not the spread's gonna carry it though. The spread's gonna carry it.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think of that.
You see that one guy that's hiding behind it on his phone?
My finger!
Alright, ladies, let's do it.
Okay.
Time to get Barbara! Deborah, sorry.
It looks like you hit it from the very bottom, but I think you need to be more.
Yeah, I mean, I can see where I hit it.
I think you need to be more like in the middle.
Broke the bag, but it's just like it's being.
Alright, yeah, just leave it open first. Just leave it open and
This-
let Tiny go for it.
First time didn't work. The second time.
The sad part is he's probably gonna do it first try.
Yeah. But like I said, I mean,
What's Tiny doing?
if I would have had the 30-06 or the 30-30,
Yeah.
I would have nailed that thing every time.
I'm going.
Tony, I knew you were gonna do it first try.
Oh, get the
Fire
fire extinguisher.
extinguisher.
You all sound like first try.
Fire extinguisher.
I got a skull, so I'm cheating. It's okay.
Hey, hoy!
Chris.
Give me that, you whore.
It's okay, Chris.
He has to do something because he failed.
First try again.
One shot, one kill, boys.
Go, it's already ready. Go.
Go.
Fire! Fire!
Alright, I think we're good. Well then,
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
it finally worked.
After the first try.
We're done.
Can we go eat now, please?
You want a souvenir, Mike?
Yeah.
Get a bucket. Alright, don't waste it, don't waste it.
All right. Well, that was blowing up a microwave.
Whoa.
Woo! Nothing else to say about that.
Awesome.
You're welcome. For those who hate microwaves. And as always, I'm Doctor Who.
I'm Dust.
I'm Pack.
Tiny.
I'm Mike.
Kevin Tan.
I'm the intern.
And we say, good day.
What